There's a little girl and a little boy reading a book. Hi, little girl. Hi, little boy. Let's open the page and see what's inside. There's kids playing. Yeah. Lots of kids playing. We like that page. There's the little girl who says, "My first book." Right? And on the next page, she shows her eyes. Where's your eyes? There's your eyes. And the little boy shows his nose. There's your nose. There's the little boy's nose. There she shows her mouth. Can you show your mouth? And his hair. That's his hair. What's on the next page? Next page is her feet. Are these your feet? And the little boy's toes. Is that the little boy's toes there? And then, oh, here's Mommy and Daddy. She's giving a big kiss to Mommy. Look at the pretty Mommy. Do we give a big kiss to Mommy? Mommy. There's Daddy. We give a hug to Daddy. And there she's giving a hug to her brother. It's a hug like this. Oh, a hug! And then he's playing with his friends at daycare. He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 friends to play with. Oh, and there's the jammies. Put on your jammies. Did they put on their jammies? And there's a picture of their bed. Their night-night bed. It's a nice picture. What's on the next page? I forget. That's the cup. There's the cup. And there's the plate. There's the apple. Mom, Grandma, get some bite of apple.
Grandma's crazy.
And there's some cookies. Have a bite of cookies. Eat the cookies. And there's a ball. And there's a wagon. And there's a teddy bear. Roar! Roar! There's the dolly. The dolly. And the bunny. Landon has a bunny. And some blocks. Then, look at the last page. All the little children. See all the little children? Is that a good book? Do you like it? And we have to close the book. Close the book. We're all done. All done. Close the book. Okay, very good. We read our book, didn't we?